Hi, I'm Janine Brennan, and I'm here to tell you about Adam Rex. Adam Rex is an illustrator. He illustrates picture books and middle reader books and young adult books. Today I'm going to talk about his picture books. Adam Rex's website is adamrex.com, and his bio talks a little bit about him and what he's up to, what books he's illustrating. It has his blogs, his reactions, his drawings, and this is a picture of his studio where he does all his work. Now, Adam Rex illustrations are called painterly. Painterly is a realistic style of illustrating using oils. His painterly style has open lines. So as you can see, we have a few of his books here. Some of them he has written and some he has collaborated with. Today I'd like to tell you about Chloe and the Lion. Chloe and the Lion is illustrated by Adam Rex and written by Mac Barnett. Meet Chloe. Every week she collects loose change so she can buy tickets to ride the merry-go-round. But one fateful day, she gets lost in the woods on her way home, and a large dragon leaps out. Wait! It's supposed to be a lion, says Mac Barnett, the author of the book, but Adam Rex, the illustrator, thinks a dragon should be so much cooler. Mac's power of the pen is at odds with Adam's brush, and Chloe's story hangs in the balance. Can she help them out of this mess so she can be the heroine of the story? Mac and Adam are a dynamic duo and two of the strongest contemporary voices in picture books today. In this funny way, Chloe and the Lion talks about the creative process between an author and an illustrator, and it also talks about the joys and trials of collaboration. This is an excellent book to talk about illustrators. For a minute now, let's just take a look at of Chloe and the Lion, the cover and an inside page. Notice the puppet. The puppet is Adam Rex. There's also a puppet of Mac Barnett. Now, if you look really closely at the puppet, you'll notice that his shirt is made out of toilet paper. Now, Adam Rex isn't afraid of trying out new styles, and this puppet is something new for him. It was kind of a hard thing, but he mastered it. Now, when he illustrated Chloe and the Lion, he first started out by taking his sketchbook and drawing 40 little squares. On the 40 squares, he kind of mapped out his book. After mapping out his book, he then started to sketch what's called the dummy. When he's all done sketching the dummy, he puts it into a PDF file. He likes to use Adobe Photoshop. He's learned to use oils with Adobe Photoshop too. Here are some of his books that he's written and illustrated. Now, when he illustrates his own works, he says it's really hard. He likes illustrating other people's works. He also writes books for older readers. We have a young adult book here and one for middle graders. Now, he likes to write too, and he's starting to write picture books. But he doesn't always want to illustrate his picture books. So we have a story about a school's first day of school, and he has Christian Robinson as his illustrator. He didn't pick Christian Robinson. His publisher picked Christian Robinson, and that's how it works. It's not up to an author to pick their illustrator. They might like someone or hope they get someone as an illustrator, but it is really up to the publisher. And when they write their books, they can't really tell the illustrator how they want it to look. That's all up to the illustrator. Coming in September is a great book that's written by Mac Barnett and illustrated by Adam Rex. And it's how this book was made. Now, this book is a culminating project between the two of them. They've done a lot of school visits, and they've had a lot of crazy questions about how books are made. So they decided it was time to put one together. So check out this book in September. Thanks for listening to my talk on Adam Rex, the illustrator and also the author.